I'm Tess, and today I'm making my recipe for guacamole. Few ingredients, easy to make, and yummy. You probably have seen lots of guacamole recipes, and there are so many variations. This is how I make my guacamole for dipping, tacos, burritos, and even on top of salads. I don't like making a lot of guacamole at a time, so I'm using 2 avocados, but you can double or even triple this recipe. I'm just smashing the avocados with a fork and then adding in some salt and juice of half of a lime. I use about a tablespoon of fresh lime juice, giving that a good stir. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. From this point, you can add whatever seasonings or ingredients that you like. I add a little garlic powder, or you can use fresh finely minced garlic. I tasted the guacamole and I'm adding in a little more salt, a diced garden onion, a seeded and finely diced plum tomato, and half of a seeded diced jalapeno. Giving that a good stir and I'm done. I heard one time that if you put the avocado pit on top of the guacamole, that along with the lime juice, it will help keep the guacamole fresh and prevent browning. Covering and storing in the refrigerator until I'm ready. We love guacamole for dipping, on top of tacos, and in burritos. You can add cilantro to the guacamole, but some people don't like cilantro, so I add it to the side. You can also add in some cumin, chili powder, red onions, and you can even make it southwestern with some black beans and corn. I hope you give this basic guacamole recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!